Okay, bud. Let's go. All right. Today, we're playing in the rain at Rainshadow Disc Golf Course. Dedicated disc golf course. It's gonna be pretty sick. All right, hole 1, 224. Hole 2, 428 with a dog leg to the right. So I'm gonna try and hit the first landing zone. Try and go out over the top. Man, pretty cool so far. It's nice to be to a course where it's not like in a park and you have to dodge people and cars. Like, that's all that's out here is disc golf course. Check out this fairway behind me. Beautiful. In the woods, good fairways cut out, a little bit of grass, lots of rain. It's just good to be outside. What a cool course. It's nice that counties decide to put these in for people. And I think there must be enough disc golf population up here to support something like this. I mean, check out this green. I mean, that's just beautiful. One of the best things a course can put in, where the next tee is. Easy to follow. Not that hard, folks. Check this out. Brooms at every tee pad. I mean, it's just a disc golfer's paradise here. 203. Come on, baby. Get in there. Yeah. Almost got that birdie. All right, hole 4, 183 feet. I think it's just about hitting the gap. Or maybe both gaps, because I hit the first one. Let's try a flex line with a Firebird. Oh, hit the second tree of the second gap. I think disc golf is beautiful both in the woods and out in the open, but I think the best disc golf is played in the woods. There's a little bit of luck to it, but if they cut the right lines, there's not as much luck. What do you guys think? Do you like open disc golf or woods disc golf? Tell you what, these greens have been running today. I don't know what it is about them, but they're rolling away. It must be the elevation. I think I saw a review that said there's only 2 holes on the course without elevation. So it really makes you think about the putt you're gonna make. Oh, I thought that one was high too. Next. All right, with it being a rain round, I didn't want to haul around an entire bag of discs that I have to keep drying off. So I got a couple towels, a couple discs, putter, gotta have a putter. I brought a straight mid-range / fairway driver. That'll get me through any angle. And then I bought brought a overstable one that I can put some flex lines on or some hard turns. So seems like so far it's about hitting the gap and staying in the fairway. This one's 388 feet, par 4. We're gonna do a forehand Steve. All right, we got to look at it here, but it's definitely going to be a touch shot. Maybe I can land it early and have it skip down. Or just turn it over into the woods. Man, this is one of the coolest forests I've ever been in. It's raining today, so everything's green. Look at this fairway behind me. And then just beautiful trees. Ferns growing everywhere. Rocks. Ah, beautiful. You kidding me? Okay, hole 6, 216, straight uphill. Steed. I don't think the video can do this justice of how steep this incline actually is. But I'm hiking up, huffing and puffing. There's even little switchbacks here. Man, what a course. Wouldn't you love to have this in your backyard? All right, well, at least I landed on the path. It's definitely not a go for it. I'm just gonna lay the putter up. Oh, and hope that it sat. Man, I actually hit the wall that it sits on, so I'll go for this one. Oh boy. I think it's that. Okay. All right, hole 7, 305, slightly left. Oh, that's not good. Right there. All right, 218 uphill, narrow fairway. I'm gonna try this Stieg, keep it low. Hopefully that stayed on top. It stayed, that's good. Ooh. Just living on the edge today. Hole 9, almost 200 feet. Yeah, 197. I think it's gonna be a Firebird, forehand. All right, hole 10, 225, downhill. It's tucked a little bit to the left, but I think they want you to throw something that goes in the woods, so we're gonna throw something straight that lands pretty straight. Feels good to save a par, even though it was a terrible drive. a tough scramble shot. And then to hit the putt on top of it, pretty nice. All right, I walked this one as a warm-up. This is a challenging one. It's downhill, then back uphill. So I'm trying to get to the bottom of the hill. I think a Firebird flex shot's what we're doing. All right, we're a little bit tucked in the woods. We're just gonna try and make it out to the fairway for a shot up the hill, hopefully to save our par. Oh, just missed. Man, I have missed so many of those putts in a disc golf round, especially a tournament round, and I'm trying my best to not beat myself up over it. I think that's the best thing you can do, is take that extra stroke and move on. Hole 12, 235 downhill, extremely to the right. We'll go with an overstable Firebird up high. I think that's going to be great. Oh, so close. Oh, I love it. Good. Hole 13, 158. I'm trying hyzer one over to the right. Well, it's getting a little bit dark. I'm not sure if my camera is gonna continue to record in this rain. The GoPro keeps going off for some reason, but highly recommend visiting this course if you're in northern Washington. It's pretty sick. So, hope you enjoyed the round. See you on the next video.